Hi there, and welcome to Magic Loops. Magic Loops are the fastest and simplest way to combine large language models like ChatGPT with code. Let me show you an example. Text me the top 5 stories on Hacker News. So the way it works is we split your request into a variety of subtasks. We call them blocks. Those blocks are then mapped to either existing functionality within Magic Loops, or we create new functionality on your behalf using either code or large language model kind of prompts. So in this case, you can see that it's taken our request and split it into a few subtasks. The first is a time trigger, then a scrape block, then a code block, because this functionality doesn't exist yet, and then a text message. This looks good to me. Let's try it. So we'll automatically go through and test each block. In this case, it's running the time trigger. It's saying the block looks good. Okay, great. Now it's running through the scrape block. Let's give this a second here. We use a network of residential proxies to ensure that websites that you're scraping are accessible. Oftentimes, if you're trying to scrape something from the cloud, it doesn't quite work. But in our case, most things you try and scrape should work. You could also use a custom scraper if you'd like with a code block. Okay, so it scraped this in Markdown, and now we're going to write some code. Let me just move my picture here. Okay, cool. So in this case, it's writing Python, and it's extracting the stories. It thinks that this looks incorrect because I've asked it to send a text message. But you know what? I'm actually okay with this. So I'm going to say this looks correct. Cool. Now it's going to set up a send text message block. Oh, I don't have a user phone number here. That's simple enough to fix. Okay, put in my phone number. Great. 248-521-8572. You guys can call me now. Cool. And there we are. Now we can activate the loop. And once the loop is active, this will run every day at 7 a.m. That's Magic Loops. Let us know what you think. Thanks.